we got something here from none other than ZL1 Addons. Yep. Misfit. Yo, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Los. Thank you for joining me here on another Motor Misfit. So, we got the Shelby here. Yep. It's a little dirty. We took it out around the beach yesterday. But, yeah. For being a black car around the beach, it's not that bad. Either way, we're taking it to a car show on Sunday. Today is Friday. Want to put this on before we actually go to the car show. So let's get into it. So we got something here from none other than ZL1 Addons. Yep. They're quickly becoming my favorite company. Alright, let's open this up. Tell you one thing. Really pack this thing in there. Alright. So we got some GT500. I don't know, what do you call this? Canards? I don't know what they're called, but they go for the front bumper. So let's install these. It does seem like a pretty easy install. You can check out the ZL1 Addons website, and they have a pretty good video on there to do this. By no means is this a DIY installation video, but you know, I guess it could be. But I am following their website, so I'll put it below in the description and you guys can check it out as well. But looks pretty straightforward and another easy install. Let's go and install this. Straight up, this would be a lot easier if you had a jack and you just jack this up, but I don't want to do that. This takes a T27 Torx. Alright, so we got the 3 screws off. Now if you go on the ZL1 Addons website or off of their video, you gotta take off these screws here. So it's kind of fitted on here. And basically, they supply all of the hardware that you're gonna need. You're gonna do the first one here. Again, guys, it is much easier if you if you raise up the car. Alright guys, so here's the finished product on this side. Came out pretty good. I definitely liked it. So it's pretty good. Yeah, gives you just enough clearance. Not bad. Let's go and check out the other side. Alright guys, same thing on this side. You gotta take off this little clip right here, and then the screws right under here. 3 screws. So let's get to it. Alright guys, there's the finished product. I closed up, put away all the tools, and yeah, I really like how it makes everything look a little wider on it. GT350 is a wide car either way, but yeah, just flares it out a little bit more. Really liking this look. And I don't care if people call me a poser. We all know this isn't a GT500. But I still like this GT500 winglet extension. So we're gonna go take it out on a test drive right now. And we're gonna see how it does on the streets. Just make sure everything is tight when I come back, and that it's not affecting anything with the drivability, aka when I'm turning the tires. So we're gonna push it a little bit, but not anything crazy. Just make sure that it's still all good and you can still be able to drive it. So yeah, let's get in the car. You guys are coming with me, and let's go. Alright guys, we are taking this out. Sorry that it's shaking, but I need to get a better stand for this. But we're taking it out and making sure that it doesn't rub or anything like that. It's just a short little test drive. But yeah, so it is fairly easy as long as you just, I guess, when you do the first one, then the second one is a breeze, right? The first one, since you've never done it before, you know, you go a little bit slower, you start figuring out and seeing how it's doing. But other than that, it is all good, guys. The only one little thing that I know I gotta watch out for is that on my stock splitter, I see that it's been scraping, right? Which means that I'm not being careful on dips. Now, I know that I haven't been like twice or 3 times. Not really quite sure how much of that was there before I actually bought the car, but nevertheless, it's scraped up. Now these come out more, right? A lot more, probably like 2 or 3 inches more than the stock splitter. Good thing is that it's only on the sides. Problem is that that's usually where you're gonna rub more. So what does that mean? 2 things. 1, I have to be careful as hell. 2, if I end up hitting that, that might, 1, break off and I have to take them all off. 2, I have to actually watch out that it doesn't actually break my stock splitter. Because if that breaks my stock splitter, this $250 part is gonna cost me a lot more. Now, I will say, that might be terms to actually getting a GT350R splitter, but nevertheless, it'll still suck because it's still mud. So I'm not feeling anything different. Taking it kind of highway speeds because we're like on off ramps for the highway. I'm not really taking it on the highway. I wanted to make sure that the wheels or the tires could turn, and still, let me put this up. I wanted to make sure that the tires could turn and not hit the actual splitters, and two, I want to make sure that nothing's gonna fly off, right? So hopefully nothing flies off. Hopefully everything's tight. But I guess we'll see. This is driving just like it should. So it is all good. I'm gonna end it off here. It's a nice little POV drive from the driver's seat. I'm gonna enjoy these GT350 or GT500 winglets, and I want you to keep driving those cool cars. Peace.